Welcome to Humasdiary. Today we are making cookies.
We're using this cake mix to make cookies. In a mixing bowl, add half a cup of oil.
Now add 2 large eggs.
Now we have to whisk it.
Now add the whole pack of the cake mix.
Now with the help of spatula, mix it well. Now it's all mixed up into a smooth dough.
You can add add-ins of your choice, but I'm going to use rainbow sprinkles.
Keep doing it until the batter is finished. Now we are going to make one batch for oven as well. It's ready to go in the oven. See you in 12 minutes. These are out of the oven. Let's transfer them on a cooling rack. Look at the cookies, they turned out so good. Let's try one.
So,
It tastes good.
can you taste the lemon?
Yeah.
Sprinkles?
Yeah.
Let's take them to school tomorrow.
Thank you for watching. See you in the next video.